Hi everybody, what we're going to get started here doing is our shoe project. So you are going to want to have 2 pieces of paper. Either you can use construction paper or you can take 2 sheets of paper out of your sketchbook. 9 by 12 is the size that we are using here, 9 inches by 12 inches. So we have it horizontal in front of us. Both papers, we're going to take your finger, you're going to put it right in the center. Go ahead and take the edge of your paper and make it touch your finger. Then crease it. All right, that gives you a little bit of an extra piece here. Cut that off. Make sure when you are cutting that you keep your hand away from where you're cutting so you don't snip your fingers. All right, these little pieces are trash. If you have a scrap box, you can put them in your scrap box. Next, one paper I'm going to set aside for later, and the other piece I'm going to fold in half. Then go ahead and cut on that fold. All right, from here, this is where I'm going to draw my shoe. One of these pieces you can reserve in case you make a mistake. The other one is the one that you're going to be drawing your shoe. I've started this video, I can't tell you how many times, and I keep forgetting a step to have it ready. So now I have part of it ready and part of it not ready, and here is my finished shoe drawing. So it's the same size paper, just like this. Once you have that drawn, you are going to take your paper, your final square paper that you have, put your shoe down, put your final paper on top. If I recommend that you get 2 little pieces of tape. I'm using painter's tape, so it comes off really easy. And I'm going to tape the edge to my big square paper so that it doesn't move on me. And then you're going to want to walk to a window and so you can see better and trace your shoe. So I can't walk away to look at a window right now, so I'm going to take my phone and show you what happens. Once I put a light source under here, notice how easily I can see my shoe. I can see through my paper. So it will be especially helpful if you trace your shoe in a dark marker. So trace shoe number 1. So I'm going to pause the video and do that so you don't have to watch me trace, and then we will pick up from there. So here is shoe number 1, has now been traced. So I am going to, here's my shoe, sole down, and I'm going to lay my paper on top. I rotated it. So the toe of this shoe is overlapping the shoe underneath. So again, I'll use my little handy dandy phone to show you. I'm going to trace the shoe like this. So it is going to have a lot of overlapping down here, and it might be hard to see your lines, but you got to persevere. You got to do the best that you can. So I'm going to pause the video, do shoe number 2, be right back. All right, so boom, there is shoe number 2. So again, I'm going to leave my shoe, sole down, rotate my paper. And I'm going to go trace again. I'll be right back. And like magic, shoe number 3 is done. So I'm going to take this off. Again, keep my shoe where it is. Line up my paper. And I'm going to go trace it my last time. Be right back. Alright, so now my tracing is done and I am ready to start the